Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to check how to report an incorrect speed limit in Google Maps. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button for more helpful tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Google Maps app on your phone or use Google Maps on a desktop. Step 2. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner or open the left side menu. Step 3. Select Help and Feedback. Step 4. Tap Edit the Map. Step 5. Choose the option about the map. Tap Get Started. Then tap Report an Issue and select Other. Step 6. Type your feedback and describe the issue. Step 7. Provide the correct speed limit in the text box. Be specific. Mention the exact number, the units, and any nearby landmarks. You can also include the full name of the road or a link to road rules to make your report stronger. Step 8. Finally, tap Submit to send your feedback to Google. That's it. Your edit will be reviewed, and if approved, the speed limit will be corrected. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick tutorials.